This is English shorthand dictation from Kailash Chandra magazine. Speed 80 word per minute. Ready? Start. Regarding delimitation of the constituencies, we have introduced a bill recently. The bill that was introduced earlier was based on the 1981 census. Now the 1991 census is over. We thought we should take advantage of that and go in for delimitation of the constituencies. One of the suggestions that have been made by the members was that the scheduled caste constituencies should be rotated. This is also under the consideration of the government. About the appointment of election commissioner and other things, the government is of the opinion that we should take up these things along with other suggestions. Only after that, and after consulting the opposition leader, the government will take a decision and we will come forward with a consolidated bill. This process we have already started. We were waiting for the recommendations on the electoral reforms from the Election Commission. We have received them only recently. We are trying to produce a paper and consult various political parties. We expect to complete this consultation process before the parliament session ends in May 1992. If possible, we will try to bring forward the bill during this session itself. Otherwise, in the next session of parliament, we will bring a consolidated electoral reforms bill before this house. Sri Dinesh Goswami's suggestions have been taken into consideration. The committee headed by him has done a good job. That is why he had introduced four bills. The most important of them is the multi-purpose photo identity cards. Non-serious candidates have to be avoided. How to avoid booth capturing? All these points are engaging the attention of the government. In the recent elections, we have seen that there was a need not only for the security of the independent candidates but also for the security of political parties candidates. A number of candidates have filed their nominations. I have seen in one constituency that there were about 20 independent candidates. Accompanying 20 independent candidates were security personnel totaling 80 at the rate of one sub inspector, one head constable, and two constables. 20 candidates and 80 police personnel accompanying them looked like an army marching. What kind of an impression it will create on the voter? We should seriously think of avoiding these independent candidates. That is a very important point. We have many suggestions to this effect. Some honorable members have suggested that the deposit money may be raised. Raising the deposit money alone will not solve the problem. They also suggested that there must be 10 elected proposers for every non serious independent candidate.